How to buy Solana NFTs. If you have been involved with NFTs recently, then you have likely been hearing about Solana. You've either heard that it's fast and solves all of Ethereum's gas issues, or that it's just a VC-funded, Ethereum copying, cash grab of a blockchain that barely works. Yeah, people have some opinions on it. But what is the truth? Little bit of this, little bit of that. Hi everyone, welcome back to the XRP Hut, where we explain everything in detail about cryptocurrency on a daily basis without rumors and unnecessary stuff. If you are new here, then be sure to subscribe to the channel. Now, by kicking off the intro, let's get back to our today's topic. What is Solana? Solana is a Layer 1 blockchain founded in 2018 by Anatoly Yakovenko, Greg Fitzgerald, and Stephen Ackridge, who have an impressive combined work history including companies such as Qualcomm, Intel, and Dropbox. Solana launched with proof-of-stake consensus and has positioned itself as a high-performance, scalable blockchain. With complaints about Ethereum's high gas costs coming up every day, it is an opportune time for a competitor to step into the ring. Unsurprisingly, Solana NFTs came under the limelight in 2021. What's more, the growing interest in Sol art resulted in massive gains for its native cryptocurrency, Solana. In a year's time, Sol's value rose up by nearly 9,500%, according to Business Insider. To put things in perspective, with just a $150 investment in Sol at the beginning of 2021, you'd have ended up with over $14,000 by the end of 2021. Not to mention the sales of several Solana NFTs for millions of dollars. A Degenerate Ape NFT sold for around $1.1 million in September, marking the network's first $1 million NFT sale. This was followed by the $2 million sale of a Solana monkey the next month. How to set up Phantom Wallet. Most Solana NFT marketplaces support three common wallets: Phantom, Solflare, Solid. The most popular is Phantom, so we'll be using that one for this tutorial. If you have set up MetaMask before, then Phantom's process should be a breeze. It's very similar. Visit phantom.app/download and select your browser. Install browser extension. Click Create New Wallet and follow the prompts. How to get Solana in your wallet. Like ETH, you will need to buy Sol on a supported exchange and then send it to your Phantom wallet address. Sol is not available on Uniswap or SushiSwap. Steps to get your Sol ready to buy NFTs. Buy Sol on a supported exchange. Withdraw to your Phantom wallet. The withdraw process is similar across most exchanges. On Binance, it took about 5 minutes for the Sol withdrawal to be processed and show up in my Phantom wallet. Where to buy Solana NFTs. Now the fun begins. Let's buy some Sol NFTs. Unlike Ethereum, where OpenSea rules the NFT market, there are several marketplaces that support Solana NFTs, with most being in either beta or alpha stages. SolSea is among the most prominent of these marketplaces, positioning itself as the first NFT marketplace that enables creators to choose and embed licenses when they mint NFTs. A total of 15,575 NFTs are listed on SolSea at the time of writing. Aside from SolSea, Solanart is a popular NFT marketplace that launched before SolSea. According to Solanart, the site has facilitated 304,957 sales overall, for a total volume of 3,693,344 Sol. Solana holders can also buy Sol NFTs from the Digital Eyes marketplace or from FTX US. FTX also lets users deposit Solana NFTs into its platform for listing. Now, you know how to buy Sol. You'll need an NFT marketplace to buy your first Sol NFT on. For this, there are several Solana-based marketplaces you can browse. The most popular option is Solanart, which offers curated NFT collections like Degenerate Ape Academy, Ori, Sol Punks, and Galactic Gecko Space Garage. To date, it has generated a total sales volume of 4.5 million Sol. Digital Eyes is another Solana marketplace featuring collections like the hit Solana Monkey Business and Fract. You can also check out the open NFT marketplace, SolSea. The Solana NFT ecosystem is very new. You will see the words beta and alpha everywhere. Popular marketplaces: Solanart.io, in beta, most stable. Digitalize market, in alpha, lacking features. Solsea.io, relaunching soon. SolSea ran into some issues on their initial launch, but there is still some hype around it as the possible OpenSea of Solana. Buying NFTs on Solana is nearly identical to buying Ethereum NFTs in terms of the process, except no worrying about gas fees. Solanart is still in beta, and they make that very clear when you first enter the site. With that said, it's the most stable Sol NFT marketplace I've used so far. 19 seconds from start to finish and only a 34 cents transaction fee. Very smooth buying experience. The Solanart team just recently pushed out a big update. You can view the price history for all collections. It still doesn't have anywhere near the feature set that OpenSea does, but keep in mind they only launched in June of this year. And OpenSea has been around since 2017. Now you know how to buy Solana NFTs. The question is, which do you want? With Solana NFT collections hotting up, there are plenty of options to choose from. But not all are great. Some are just copycats of Ethereum NFTs. Well, guys, that's all we found for you today. Now you are able to buy Solana NFTs. Be sure to subscribe so you never miss any video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.